This is the campus entry point for Red5 security employees. Select the Employee Login button. Insert your student login information obtained by your DCJS instructors. You have now entered into your student dashboard, which shows all courses that you are currently enrolled in. Next, select the course and then hit the Enter Course button. Once the course has loaded, hit the Play button located in the center of the screen. Once you have completed the quiz, you will see your quiz results. Hit the Continue button to go to the next slide. Bottom right of the slide, hit the X button. Once you go back to your student dashboard, you can select the Certificate tab and select the certificate link to print your certificate. Please note that if you are taking a firearms course, your certificate will not be available until after you have successfully completed your requalification on the range.